So next is Stokes theorem. According to Stokes theorem, integral over C f dot dr is equal to double integral over sigma curl f dot n ds. So f is a vector function having bounded by a surface sigma and with the boundary C. So curl f dot n ds. N is the outward normal, ds is the surface integral. So in Stokes theorem, line integral is converted into double integral. So for example, apply Stokes theorem to evaluate integral over c x plus y into dx plus 2x minus y into dy plus y plus z into dz, where c is the boundary of the triangle with vertices 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 6, such that the curve is oriented counterclockwise when looking down the positive z-axis. So here f is, what is f? This is integral over c f dot dr. Okay, f dot dr is x plus y dx plus 2x minus y into dy plus y plus z into dz. So f will be, components of f will be coefficients of dx, dy and dz. So x plus y into I plus 2x minus y into j plus y plus z into k. So applying the Stokes theorem, so we need to find curl f. So what is curl f? It is determinant I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z x plus y 2x minus y y plus z. So evaluating this curl, we get I plus k. Okay. So here the surface is its base is a triangle having this this is a three-dimensional figure. Okay. So ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ figure. So 2, 0, 0 x axis meet ചെയ്യുന്ന point 2, 0, 0, y axis is 0, 3, 0 and z axis is 0, 0, 6. Okay. So what is the equation of this plane? Its equation is it has x-intercept 2, y-intercept 3 and z-intercept 6. So it is x by 2 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z by 6. Okay. So if it is some okay, sum of this is equal to 1. Okay. So this is LCM is 6. So this is 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 1, or 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6. So this is the equation of the plane. If y and z are 0, x is equal to 2. If x and z 0, y is equal to 3. If x and y are 0, z is 6. Okay, so this is the equation. So here how will you find n? So let this equation or the plane be phi, surface phi. So n is del phi by modulus of del phi. So what is del phi? Dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j. Okay. So dou phi by dou x is 3i, dou phi by dou y is 2j, dou phi by dou z is k, 1k, divided by, what is its norm? Root of 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. That is 3i plus 2j plus k by 9 plus 4 plus 1, root 40. Okay, so this is n. So what is curl f dot n? Curl f dot n is 3 by root 14 plus 1 by root 14. That is 4 by root 14. So curl f dot n is 4 by root 40. Again we have to find the ds also. Okay. So how will you find ds? So ds is equation of the plane is 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6. Okay. So z is 6 minus 3x minus 2y. So ds is root of dou z by dou x the whole square. That is assuming we are projecting on xy plane. Dou z by dou y the whole square plus 1 dx dy. So it is root of, what is dou z by dou x? Minus 3. So 9 dou z by dou y minus 2. So plus 1 dx dy. So it is root 14 dx dy. So right hand side is double integral over r curl f dot n. Curl f dot n was 4 by root 14 into root 14 dx dy. So it is 4 into double integral dx dy. And what is it? It is the area of the triangle because the base is a triangle. Okay, 4 into area of triangle. That is 4 into area of triangle is half BH. So which are the base and height? Here the base will be 2 and height will be 3 on xy plane. So 3 into 2, which is equal to 12. Okay. So next question. Verify Stokes theorem for f is equal to y square I plus xyj minus xzk over the upper half of the sphere. So the sphere is x, y, z axis. So the sphere is like this. Okay. We need only the upper half. So this is the region, upper half. So by Stokes theorem, integral over C f dot dr is double integral curl f dot n ds. So what is curl f? Determinant ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, y square xy minus xz. So it is I into dou by dou y of this one 0, dou by dou z of this one 0, minus j into minus z minus 0. So plus k into 1 y minus 2y. So it is zj plus y minus 2y minus y. So minus yk. So yz minus yk. Okay. And what is n here? Here also we have to find the outward normal using the formula by taking the surface phi as x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. So del phi is, what is the partial derivative with respect to x? 2xi. What is the partial derivative with respect to y? 2yj. What is the partial derivative with respect to z? So this one. So what is n? 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk by root of 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. So it is xi because we can take the 4 outside from the denominator. So 2 cancels. So yj plus zk by, what is root of x square plus y square plus z square? X square plus y square plus z square is a square. So root of a square is a. So it is a. So this is n. And what is curl f dot n? Zj. So yz by a minus yk minus yz by a. So it is 0. So curl f dot n is 0. So right hand side is also 0. Next, the question is to verify Stokes theorem. So we need to find the left hand side also. Left hand side is integral over C f dot dr. So what is the surface boundary of this circle sphere or upper sphere? So boundary will be the circle. So we are projecting on xy plane, we get a circle. X square plus y square plus z x square plus y square is equal to a square, and z is equal to 0 because on xy plane z is 0. So for x square plus y square is equal to a square, we have to put the parametric equation. X is a cos theta and y is a sin theta because here only line integral we need only one variable. So what is f dot dr? It is y square dx plus xy dy minus xz dz. Okay. So this is integral y square a square sin square theta into a sin theta minus a sin theta d theta plus a square cos theta sin theta into dy. So a cos theta d theta z is 0. So it is integral minus a cube sin cube theta plus a cube cos square theta sin theta d theta. And what is the limit for theta? Limit for theta is 0 to 2 pi, full circle. So here we can take a cube outside. So a cube into integral from 0 to 2 pi cos square theta sin theta d theta minus sin cube theta d theta. So it is a cube into, what's the integral of this one? So if you put cos theta as some t, minus sin theta d theta will be dt, and integral of t square into minus dt, and integral is minus t cube by 3, that is minus 1 by 3 cos cube theta. Then what is the integral of, so this one plus this one from 0 to 2 pi. So minus a cube into, what is the integral of sin cube theta? Sin cube theta is sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta whole divided by 4. Okay, so we can integrate this one. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin 3 theta d theta. So it is what is this one? Cos theta, cos 2 pi is 1, cos 0 is 1. So this term cancels. Okay, so minus a cube by 4 into, if you integrate this one, it will be cos theta minus cos theta minus plus 4 cos 3 theta by 3 from 0 to 2 pi. Here also again cos 2 pi is 1, cos 0 is 1, cos 3 into 2 pi, cos 6 pi is 1, cos 0 is 1. Sorry, cos 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So all terms are cancelled. So answer also, left hand side also 0. Okay. Next, one more problem we can solve. Using Stokes theorem, evaluate double integral over C f dot dr. So by Stokes theorem, integral over C f dot dr is double integral over sigma curl f dot n ds. So what is curl f? Curl f is determinant ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So if you evaluate this one, because using Stokes theorem we have to evaluate this line integral, and this is equal to right hand side, that's why we are finding curl f. Okay, so I into dou by dou y of this one 0, dou by dou z of minus 1, minus j dou by dou x of this is minus 1, dou by dou z is 0, plus k into dou by dou x of this is 0, dou by dou y of this is minus 1. So minus minus 1 plus 1. Here also dou I into minus minus, this will be plus j into dou by dou x minus 1. Okay, so it is I plus j plus k. Okay, I plus j plus k. And which is the region? Region is a rectangle bounded by x is equal to minus a, x is equal to plus a, y 0, y is equal to b. So this is the region, triangle, rectangle. So this is vertical equation x minus a, this vertical equation x a, this horizontal equation y 0, because this is x axis, and this horizontal equation is y is equal to b. So what is n here? So this rectangle is entirely in xy plane. So which is n? N is the third direction. Third direction means from this point we can, so like this. Okay, like I am holding this pen. It is perpendicular to both x and y axis, x and y direction. So this will be the third direction, z direction. So this is the z direction. So what is n here? The unit vector along this direction is k. So n is equal to k. So curl f dot n is 1. Okay, so double integral over sigma or double integral over r 1 dx dy, because here z is 0, is a plane, is surface is in xy plane, means there is no is a third direction, so z is 0. So ds will be root of 1 dx dy, because we are trying this on xy plane. So what is it? This is the double integral dx dy is the area of what? area of this rectangle. What is area of the rectangle? What is the length and breadth? The length is from this point to this point. This is minus a and this is plus a. So this much distance is a, this much distance a. So a plus a, 2a. What is the height? Height is this one, so b. So it is 2ab. Okay, answer is 2ab.